Every specimen begins its journey ethically, responsibly, and with purpose.
But beneath the skin, no harm, no shortcut.
For thousands of
Prepared for assembly.
Every specimen begins its journey ethically, responsibly, and with purpose.
Every specimen begins its journey ethically, responsibly, and with purpose.
But beneath the skin lies a structure far more fascinating than myth.
But beneath the skin lies a structure far more fascinating than myth.
No harm, no shortcuts, only respect for life.
No harm, no shortcuts, only respect for life.
Each specimen is digitally recorded, tracked, and verified. Only perfection moves forward. Only perfection moves forward. Measured to the smallest detail. Each specimen is digitally recorded, adhered, tracked, and verified. Mapped in 3 dimensions. Mapped in 3 dimensions.
A machine of pure engineering built by nature itself.
Measured to the smallest detail. From forest to laboratory. From forest to laboratory.
millimeter precision. Patience defines quality.
Patience defines quality.
Millimeter precision. Controlled. Calculated. Prepared for assembly. Preservation begins with precision. Only those that meet perfection pass. Only those that meet perfection pass.
prepared for assembly.
Preservation begins with precision.
The structure is revealed. The structure is revealed.
Every imperfection identified.
Every imperfection identified.
Life's form restored in bone.
Life's form restored in bone.
Nothing forced. Nothing rushed. Nothing forced. Nothing thrust. Nothing rushed. Science removes what time cannot. Science removes what time cannot. Purity achieved. Purity achieved. Nature's smallest workers, performing the most delicate task.
Nature's smallest workers performing the most delicate task.